Hello and welcome. Let me tell you about my Exploring the Depth of the Sung Style 73 Forms workshop. The 73 Form is a true, unique and powerful Tai Chi set. I have the privilege of working closely with its creator, Professor Ming, for many years. This set contains distinguished qigong elements and many profound features that make it so incredibly rich, enjoyable, and so effective in cultivating qi. There are many layers to discover, and I will guide you through them in a clear and meaningful way. I will share with you my 50 years of Tai Chi experience and medical knowledge to help enhance your understanding and your practice and make the form safer and more effective for health. You will learn the inner components of the set, including the fundamental concept of the qi cultivation in a simple, practical, easy to apply way. This foundation will support your Tai Chi development for years to come. Throughout the workshop, my colleague and I will offer personalized feedback, what you're doing well, the point you can improve, and the direction to further develop your Tai Chi most effectively and most enjoyably. By the end of our time together, you will have a deeper, clearer understanding of the Sung Style 73 Forms, a stronger pathway to progress your Tai Chi, and more enjoyment and confidence in your practice. I look forward to seeing you in this and my other workshops.